So I'm gonna have that. Yeah, I'm having the bad hair day. All right, we're filming. All right, let's get it. So we got some empanadas over here. They're almost done. So we're just gonna take them out real nice and carefully. Slide a spoon, flip over, nice. Drag over here. Repeat. Slide a spoon, drag, and dry, whatever. Oh. These are my empanadas. Chicken wings, I'm about to coat them up real quick. But right here, I'm gonna show you how we do them. You know, before, like that. So, maybe they'd be ready before. Let's see. Take all these pieces off you don't need. I use any knife. Happens to be pink. I guess breast cancer awareness. All love. Coat in some flour. Gonna take it over to the fryer real quick. And we're just gonna fry this up. So that's to where I got to this point right here, which we're gonna focus in on right now. We're gonna get rid of the cutting board. And wash my hands with soap. You can watch that. See me washing my hands with soap. Look at me. I can clean. Everything out the way. Clean. Rub it up. Kitty cat, Bronx, New York, fire. Some of my tattoos I love. So we're gonna get down to this dressing I make. We got right now some garlic, just pounding that shit in there. Got those chicken wings in there. We got these over here. I made these empanadas, little snacks. Get a munch on a little bit. I mean, grab one, munch it while you're doing this shit. Thank you. Let me know. So we're gonna work on the sauce for this, but we're just rearranging some items here, making some room. And I got this mediocre stove, trying to do what I can with it. See what we can. Keep frying those wings in the back. So I got a new pot I'm setting up over here. I think my nephew's fucking up the video a little bit, so I'm just gonna take over while he just gets his shit straight. And I just, you know, show you what the fuck I'm doing. Can you get the fuck out the way, please? So I'm just frying chicken wings. I'm looking for a fork, so I can fork this shit up and turn it around. Got a little color. The other chicken wings is done, so we're making the sauce for that. I'm just showing you how to fry chicken wings. So I do it at a low temperature so I can make sure that it's cooked. This video is a little shaky because maybe it's all that good shit I was drinking beforehand. Whatever. It's just basic shit. Shit you should know. So I'm not trying to be famous because you know what? Deep down inside, I cook better than a lot of you motherfuckers. Oh yeah, that's the thing. I think I need to change that plate. That's what I'm not going to tolerate. We need a new plate here. Come on. Stop texting, motherfucker, and help me out. Need plate change. Hey, I'm not an octopus, man. I can't do this shit by myself. Fuck. So my nephew's back at it again. Cocksucker's helping me out. Thanks. This shit over there. So this is gonna be our finished plate. So we're making our sauce for our chicken wings. So we're gonna bring our stuff over. All right, come on. You can text and do that at the same time. So here we got our plate. This is hot. We got some extra chicken wings. We're gonna throw them in the mix in a little bit when they're really done. But right now we're making this sauce. So we got some olive oil. Are you filming up? Are you filming my balls, my feet? What are you filming? Come on. Do I fucking need to get Chloe down here? Come on, I love you. I don't want to talk to you like that. Especially in front of all these millions of people who are not following me yet. Yeah, I got some olive oil. I'm heating it up. I'm making our sauce for our garlic, hot sauce, and chicken wings here. I mashed it up before. I wanted to spare you the noise and all the other extra bullshit. Yeah, Phil, that's a little, way too much oil. Over measured. But I don't want to burn my product at the same time, so I'm toasting up my garlic real quick right now. And I'm just going to toss in my chicken wings to this. Because this is real delicate, so.